Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to handle refunds in Wave. It's going to be a quick one as usual, so let's get into it. The first thing we're going to do, of course, is to log into our Wave account, which we can do on the mobile app or on the official website. But once you're logged in, just go to accounting, and under accounting, you're going to see transactions, so tap on that. And then we're going to find the original sale transactions, and then just add a new transaction for the refund amount with the category set to refunds, or you can set it to sales returns. Now you got to match it with your bank feeds if the refund appears there. You can also add a note to link it with the original transaction. Refunds are part of business. Make sure to log them accurately. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, or you can just share your questions and we're going to answer them. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.